Hello everybody, MD Polo here. Thank you for joining me. Today we take a look at another offering from Sig's Custom Works, and this is part of the AXG line. This is called the AXG Pro. It is a full-size 9mm pistol with a 4.7-inch barrel, and it comes with two steel mags that are 17 rounders, although they do have 21 round mags available. In prior videos, you have seen two offerings that I've showcased from the AXG line in Custom Works. This is the AXG Pro, the AXG Classic, that's the Pro. And I've also showcased the AXG Scorpion, which I no longer have. This, of course, is a full-size pistol, and it is geared towards either the competition market or self-defense, home defense, or for those of you guys that like to carry a full-size gun. It is a bit on the heavy side. It's a full metal pistol. Everything is metal on the pistol. And I mentioned to you that it's a 4.7-inch barrel, two 17-round mags, and comes in at an MSRP of $1,299, which is exactly what it's retailing at my local gun shop, Shoot Point Blank in Carmel, Indiana. Now let's take a look at it. It has been safety checked, but we'll take a look at it anyway. Good gun safety. So the gun is cleared. And taking a look first at the mags. Two metal mags, 17 rounders. Let the focus catch up a little bit. And both of them come with aluminum base plates, and they are by Henning. So Henning aluminum base plates on both of them. You can see them here. And you can get 21 round mags available as well, but they don't come with the pistol. Starting at the top, you get, of course, optics cut. And what's nice about this, with this particular version of the AXG, is that for the Romeo 1 Pro, for the Romeo 2, for the Delta Point Pro, and as well as the RMR and SRO, you can do a direct mount to the slide. You do not need any optics plates. So that is actually pretty nice. As far as sights, you have metal sights, and they are your typical Sig X-ray, but these are the X-ray 3 day-night sights. So very nice. And what's nice about it as well is that when you mount the red dot, you retain your rear sights. No guarantee that they will co-witness, but you retain your sights. The frame finish is everything is stainless steel, with the frame finish being a hard coat anodized. You do have an accessory rail. So being a full-size pistol, you can pretty much mount anything you want. You got 3 slots right here. It actually feels really good. I love these AXG grips. They just feel so good in the hand. Sticking with a slide, you got these lightning cuts up front and on top. The sights are dovetailed, so easily replaceable if you chose to do that. And I really like this detail here. I haven't been much of a fan of the other two AXGs that I've showcased, the Scorpion and the Classic, but this one is really looking nice. I'm not going to disassemble this pistol because YouTube considers that modification of a firearm to show you the typical field strip, even though that's in the owner's manual for safety and maintenance. But it does come with a metal guide rod as well. You can see the barrel inside. It's got small serrations at the front, but they're very grippable, very usable slides, and as well in the back. And you can see the angle that it's cut. It's just got a lot of details that I'm really, really liking. The rest of it is typical Sig. Very nice. The one thing that is missing compared to the other one is the markings that it says Custom Works. Let me show you. And this one, of course, is clear as well. So here you got the AXG, says Custom Works. And this one does not say Custom Works. Moving down to the grip, you got the AXG grip module, and these are G10 Hogue grips that of course can be exchanged just by the removal of those two screws here. Typical P320 with the slide lock, slide release, and the up here, and the takedown lever right here. Slide lock release is ambi, and the mag release is reversible. You got a decent sized beaver tail up here, allowing you to get a pretty high grip on it, considering this got a high bore axis. For those of you that consider that important, there it is. The mag release works better with a mag in it, but it is sort of positive. I would have expected more of a kick out, considering that it's got an aluminum base plate, but it just kind of spits it out of there. Moving down towards the bottom, it's got what they call the AXG magwell, and it is pretty well fit to the pistol. It's got a bit of a lip here, but not much. It's actually, I think they did a very good job with it. And it is removable. So if you don't feel like having a magwell, you can remove it with no problem whatsoever. Here's letting you look at the other side. And of course, like all the other P320s and the rest of the AXG line, the serialized part, there's a modular system, so the serialized part is right there. It is your fire control unit, the trigger inside, so you can remove that and install it in whatever other frame that you'd like. It's got, moving down to the trigger, let me show you right here. So Sig calls it their X series straight metal trigger, and it's got a 90-degree break. Just being extra careful. Let me show you right here. There it is, the wall right there. So you got that little take up, a little bit more creep, and then it breaks. And your reset right there, breaks, and reset. It's actually nicer and smoother than the two other AXGs that I've tried, both on the Classic and on the Scorpion. This one is actually the better one of the three that I've had exposure to. Letting you look around a little bit more. Giving you a bit of the specs. And again, this is nothing but a first look. Not even, I would say, a first impressions, just a first look of the pistol. Looking at more of the specs, of course, Sig calls it a full-size X series pistol. The overall length of the pistol is coming in at 8.2 inches. The overall width is coming in at 1.6 inches. Looking over here at the height of the pistol, is coming in at 5.5 inches, and the total weight with the 17 round mag is coming in at 35.4. So that's where it is. Just wanted to give you a first look. I really love the way the AXG grip modules feel in my hand. This is a heavy pistol, but it feels very comfortable. I love the lightning cuts on top and on the sides, and especially that detail that they did right here around the front of the pistol. I think that's pretty cool. So this might be my favorite one of the three so far. And I wanted to find out from you, have you shot it? What do you think of it? Do you like it? What are your thoughts on this P320 AXG Pro? Thank you very much for watching. Please remember that I upload videos every Friday morning, and when I can on Wednesday mornings as well. I'm very active on Instagram, and there you can see, most of the time you can see what's coming down the pipeline for the channel way before it hits YouTube. Once again, I ask you to pray for our country, get involved so we can get our country back. And as always, God bless.